Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. BMW prioritized handling and performance with features such as leather upholstery, power trunk closing assist, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, power moonroof, and power front seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.